What if a blizzard trapped you for 7 days straight? Day 1, snow starts falling fast, covering everything in white. Day 2, roads disappear as snow piles higher and higher. Day 3, temperatures drop hard and the cold becomes dangerous. Day 4, power starts failing, leaving homes freezing and dark. Day 5, snow blocks doors and windows, you're completely trapped. Day 6, food and heat run low as the storm keeps raging. Day 7, the world outside is unrecognizable under deep snow. At this point, survival becomes a fight against cold, isolation, and time.